Navy Federal Credit Union, NFCU, is a well-known financial institution that provides a range of banking and credit services to members of the U.S. military and their families. While Navy Federal credit cards are primarily intended for making purchases and managing expenses, there may be situations where individuals seek ways to liquidate or access cash from their credit cards. It's essential to note that extracting cash from a credit card often comes with fees and interest charges, and it's generally not advisable due to the associated costs. However, for educational purposes, we'll explore the potential methods some individuals might consider for liquidating Navy Federal credit cards for cash. Understanding the basics. Before delving into potential methods for accessing cash, it's crucial to understand some key terms and concepts related to credit cards. 1. Cash advance. A cash advance is a service provided by credit card issuers that allows cardholders to withdraw cash from an ATM or a financial institution. The amount withdrawn is typically a portion of the card's credit limit. Cash advances often come with higher interest rates and additional fees compared to regular credit card purchases. 2. Cash advance limit. Credit cards have a cash advance limit, which is usually a percentage of the overall credit limit. This limit may vary depending on the cardholder's creditworthiness and the specific terms of the credit card. 3. APR for cash advances. Credit cards charge an annual percentage rate, APR, for cash advances, and it is generally higher than the APR for regular purchases. The APR represents the cost of borrowing and is applied to the cash advance amount. 4. Cash advance fee. In addition to the APR, credit card issuers typically charge a cash advance fee. This fee is a percentage of the cash advance amount or a flat fee, whichever is greater. Methods to liquidate Navy Federal credit cards for cash. While it's important to reiterate that accessing cash from a credit card is generally discouraged due to the associated costs, here are some methods that individuals may consider. 1. Cash advance at ATMs. How it works: use your Navy Federal credit card to withdraw cash from an ATM. Pros: convenient and readily available at ATMs worldwide. Cons: high APR, cash advance fee, and potential ATM fees. 2. Over-the-counter cash advance. How it works: visit a bank or credit union that accepts credit cards and request a cash advance over the counter. Pros: allows for larger cash advances than ATMs. Cons: similar to ATM cash advances with added potential fees. 3. Cash advance checks. How it works: some credit card issuers, including Navy Federal, provide cash advance checks that can be used like regular checks. Pros: flexibility in using the checks for various purposes. Cons: high fees and interest rates apply, similar to other cash advances. 4. Use card for purchases and get cash back. How it works: make a purchase at a retail store and request cash back during the transaction. Pros: may offer a way to access cash without an ATM. Cons: cashback amounts are usually limited, and the purchase may still incur fees and interest. 5. Balance transfer to a bank account. How it works: some credit card issuers allow balance transfers to bank accounts. Pros: funds can be used as needed. Cons: balance transfer fees and interest apply. 6. Emergency check issuance. How it works: some credit card issuers, including Navy Federal, offer emergency check issuance services. Pros: can be used to access cash in situations where a credit card may not be accepted. Cons: high fees and interest rates. Factors to consider. Before opting for any of the methods mentioned above, individuals should carefully consider the following factors. 1. Costs involved. Understand the cash advance fees, APR, and any other associated costs for accessing cash from the credit card. 2. Credit impact. Taking a cash advance can impact your credit score. It may result in a higher credit utilization ratio, which can negatively affect your credit. 3. Alternatives. Explore alternative ways to address financial needs such as personal loans, lines of credit, or emergency savings. 4. Emergency situations. Reserve the use of cash advances for genuine emergency situations, as the costs can quickly add up. 5. Repayment plan. Have a clear plan for repaying the cash advance promptly to minimize interest charges. While Navy Federal credit cards offer a range of benefits for everyday purchases, accessing cash through these cards should be approached with caution due to the associated fees and high interest rates. It's essential to carefully review the terms and costs involved before opting for any method of cash withdrawal. In many cases, individuals may find more cost-effective alternatives for managing their financial needs. If faced with unexpected expenses, consider reaching out to Navy Federal Credit Union or other financial institutions to explore options such as personal loans or lines of credit that may offer more favorable terms than cash advances. Additionally, building and maintaining an emergency fund can provide a more sustainable and cost-effective solution for handling unforeseen financial challenges.